Glock talks about this one thing that he won't do. Listen to him as he breaks it down. Check it out.
I was watching Angela Yee the other day. This was a wild interview, man. Yeah. How you survive that interview, man? Holy shit.
She's smooth. She's smoother than me, though.
I said, yeah, but they had one issue with you.
What's that?
Well, when you was on lip service, you said...
Oh.
He said, "Oh."
You said that
I think I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you said you don't perform oral sex, and so
you never tried it?
Nah.
You wouldn't. You will.
I ain't gonna say I wouldn't, but I ain't never tried it.
So when you eat, you look in her eyes.
I don't even eat.
What? Have you changed your mind?
Do it look like?
Yeah. No,
y'all want me to change my mind? Nah, it ain't changed yet.
What you tried?
Well, me and you was the same, man. I don't be eating no fucking shit. I'm good,
It
man.
ain't for me.
Eat vagina and all that stuff. I can't do it, man. I don't know.
For me.
I don't even think I would even do it if I was married. You know what I'm saying?
I feel you.
I feel like it's just
Don't nobody feed Glizz, I feed.
It's too liquid. It's too liquid. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't eat liquid. You know what
I don't eat flesh. I don't eat raw sushi. Like, I don't eat nothing. It's undone.
It's safe to say that won't be at your dinner today.
Never. Not my dinner.